We've had a very interesting period over the last couple of years, as everybody in the electronic components industry knows. We've seen some interesting changes in terms of supply and demand. In 2023, we forecast that the market would be fairly low in terms of growth, in the order around about 3 or 4%. The outcome was somewhat different. We were around about 9%. So in forecasting, you're either lucky or wrong, and we were wrong. And we were wrong in the right direction, which is good news because the market grew faster than we thought it would. In 2024, we're forecasting that the electronic components market in the UK will grow from somewhere between negative 1.5 to around about 4.1%, with an average growth probably around about 2%. That 2% growth was much smaller than we've seen in the last 3 or 4 years. Now, that seems very low, but actually if you go back into 5 or 7 years ago, we were very happy with 2 to 5% growth. That would have been an industry norm and been very good. But really, when we come down from being at 16, 17, 13% growth, and now we're forecasting only around about 1 or 2%, people think that's bad. It's not bad, it's merely consolidation. And if we can consolidate what we've done over the last few years, then the whole industry will be in a lot better position. We'll see the bookings come off. Our bookings have been, book-to-bill ratios have been terribly negative for the last probably 9 months. They will continue to be negative into early first half of 24, and then growth will start again. And that will enable us, the whole industry, to have got back on track and done the right thing. So we look forward to a very positive 2024, and we hope everybody within the component supply network, both down at your suppliers and up at your customers, works hard to forecast their real demand back to the industry. If we have a real forecast of demand, we can then really meet everybody's aspirations and get the right material to the right place at the right price on time, and that's really what we're trying to do.